In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add Yahoo email app on your Android phone. Okay, first you need to open Play Store and click this search bar and type Yahoo Mail. Then you can see this app. Then touch and install this app. Now it's installed. If you open the Play Store, it asks you to sign in, means you can also enter your Yahoo email account and sign into the Play Store. Then you can install the Yahoo Mail app. Now just minimize this. Yeah, here you can see the Yahoo Mail app. I just open that. Then tap sign in with Yahoo. Yeah. Now log into your Yahoo email ID and then you can use the Yahoo Mail service as usually. And this is how you can install Yahoo Mail app on Android phone. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, please leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.